Good morning. How are you all? Fine and safe at home? Okay. Today in maths, we are going to represent three-digit numbers on the abacus. You have already learned for two digits and for three digits, we have done everything expanded form, short form, number names, ordering, etc. Now today we are going to do abacus representation, comparison and ordering of these numbers, and we will finish the chapter. है ना? So you know the abacus. Abacus is an instrument which has three rods. On left side we call left spike, and right we call right spike, and middle spike. And we have to start always representing the numbers from ones, then tens, then hundreds. And you have to arrange the beats according to that. Now see, we are going to represent numbers, three digits numbers on abacus. So this is left spike, middle spike, right spike, ones, tens, hundred. Suppose I give you number 564. So you have to draw 4 beads on this side, 6 tens. So you have to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 on 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to color the beads. So this is the representation of numbers on abacus. 4 ones, 4, 6 tens, 6, 500, 5. So this is called numbers on abacus. Now beads are there on the spikes. You have to frame number. How many beads are there? 2. No beads, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. So number you got is 402. So you will get the question in two ways. You have to draw beads, or beads are there, you have to frame numbers. So in both way you have to do the exercises. I hope you understood how to represent numbers on abacus. See, now we have to do the comparison of numbers. Comparison means you have to compare two things. This thing is big or this thing is big. You have to compare. So you have to compare according to the size. But now what you have to do in numbers? Compare करना है numbers. And it is of three digit number. Suppose I give you 346 and only 42. So here only ones and tens, 2 digit. Ones, tens and hundred, 3 digits. So always 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number. This is the simple rule. But when I give 100 to this number, both are of 3 digits. Then what you will do? You have to see first 100. Whose 100 is greater? 3. So this number is greater than this number. Suppose I will give you 513 and 526. Now what you will do? Both 100 are same. Then you have to go to tens. Now this is your second rule. The same two numbers you have, 3 digit numbers, 100 same. Then you have to see tens. Whose tens is bigger? This. So this number is greater. Now suppose I give you this number. So 100 is same, tens is same, ones is same. So we say both numbers are equal. Okay. If 2 digits number and 3 digit numbers are there, definitely 3 digit number is greater. But this was first rule. Now second rule, when you see 3 digit numbers So first you see 100, both 100. Whose 100 is greater? That number is greater. If 100 is same, then go to tens. And if tens is also same, then see ones. So in this way you compare the numbers and find out which number is greater than that number. So our third topic is ordering of number. It is of two types. A, ascending, and B is descending. This you have learned in class 1 also, and I taught you for 2 digit also. See, you have stairs. आपके घर में stairs होती है ना, सीढ़ियाँ. जब आप ऊपर जाते हैं छोटे से बड़े की तरफ ऊपर जाएंगे तो that is ascending, और आप बड़े से नीचे उतरेंगे तो that is called descending order. So we have to compare the numbers and arrange them according to their comparison. Suppose I give you 3 numbers: 13, 136, 148 and 328. See, now you know the comparison of numbers. See, 100, 100, 100. Both are same. 300 is greater, so it will come in the last. Okay? Now these two are remaining. So see tens. Whose tens is greater? So that will come second place. And 136 is smaller. So small, big, big. 136, 148, 328. So arrangement of this number is called ascending. छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाना. जैसे आप बेबी हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे बड़े होके बड़े हो जाओगे, बॉय बन जाओगे, बिग बॉय, अंकल. So that is called ascending. So we have so many numbers, 3, 4, 5. You have to just compare and write according to their ascending order. This is also called as increasing order. आप छोटे से बड़ा करते जाओ. ठीक है? Now next is I give you so many examples to solve in book, and it will give you a lot of practice. I will send you questions on WhatsApp. Now second is, if the arrangement is like descending, 428, 106, 214, then 866. Now descending means आपको सबसे बड़ा पहले लिखना है. So see 100, 4, 1, 2, 8. Oh, 800 is सबसे बड़ा. So write 866. Now lift that. अब 3 आपके पास है. किसका 100 बड़ा है? Oh, 4. 428. Now 2 आपके पास है. 100, 200. तो definitely 200 बड़ा है. ये ऐसा हो गया. So बड़े से छोटे की तरफ जाएंगे. So that is called descending order. This is called descending order. So now you know the abacus, comparison of numbers, ordering of numbers. In this way we finish the chapter 2, and I will give you lots of practice for this. Now you understood the concept, you have to follow the concept and solve the book exercises. Okay? I hope you understood the chapter very nicely, and you will be able to solve the book exercises too.